Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash rewards, get yourself down to the description box and click on that Moomoo link. Open up your Moomoo account today. You put $100 in there, they're going to give you 5 free stocks plus $30 in cash. You put $1,000 in there, they're going to give you 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash. Limited time offer. Don't delay. Get yourself down in the description box today and click on that Moomoo link. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Today, guys, Nvidia Q3 earnings report came out. And man, did they deliver. They crushed it, guys. I'm talking about crushed it so good that Wall Street aliens tried their very best after hours to tank the stock price, and they couldn't. Remember Q2 when they came out with pretty good earnings? Even though they were beat expectation earnings, the Wall Street aliens came in and drove the stock down by 18% the following week. I don't believe that'll happen this time. The results are just too powerful, guys. Let's talk about it. Here are the results. Earnings per share, 81 cents adjusted versus 75 cents expected. That means they killed it, guys. They killed EPS. Revenue, $35.08 billion versus $33.16 billion expected. They crushed it. Here's the thing. Q2, when they did their guidance for third quarter, which is the quarter we're talking about now, they said $32.5 billion. And the street, the market, Wall Street aliens were not happy with that. And they used that along with the delay for Blackwell to drive the stock price down. Can't do that for the third quarter numbers. Everything was perfect. I listened to the earnings call as well. The whole thing, it was about an hour long. And I would recommend any of you guys who want to find out more about this company, actually from the CEO and the people that work for the company, not the Wall Street aliens through their financial affiliates online, go to Nvidia's website and listen to a replay of the earnings call, and that's where you're really going to feel the magic and the power, guys. Because this whole thing, oh, Blackwell is overheating, oh, it's delayed. Garbage. It's not being delayed. It's actually starting to be delivered in the fourth quarter, and they're going to have billions of dollars in sales. And next year, it will continue to ramp. Matter of fact, Hopper 200 is killing it as well. These folks ain't got no problem with revenue, guys. They just turned in $35 billion in revenue. Remember, Q1 revenue, $26 billion. Q2, $30 billion. Q3, $35 billion. And they are projecting, let's take a look at this. They're projecting for Q4. It says this. Nvidia said it expects about $37.5 billion plus or minus 2% in current quarter sales. We're currently in the fourth quarter. That's why they say current quarter sales versus $37.08 billion expected by analysts. The fourth quarter forecast implies year-to-year growth of about 70% from a year earlier. So here's what I'm telling you guys. This is what they're saying now. They're saying 37.5. Remember in Q2, they said 32.5 billion, and they came in 35.08 billion. Now, again, I don't know if they'll come in at almost 38 billion. But if they do what they've done over the last couple of quarters, and they do that in the fourth quarter, they'll probably come in higher than 37 billion, maybe 39 or 40 billion. Again, it's a hypothetical, but I'm just going off of history. Nevertheless, they killed it. And the CEO, Jensen Huang, gave an update again on Blackwell, and I thought it was a strong update. I'm not going to sit here and try and tell you what he said. You need to go look at the replay. I've told you where to go. Go right to their website, go to Investor Relations, and you'll find the replay. Listen to the whole thing. If you are a person that's invested in this company already, and you're debating, am I going long on this thing? Or if you're somebody who is thinking about buying this stock, you need to go listen to the replay of the Q3 earnings call. I'm telling you, man, you can hear it from the horse's mouth. That's why I listened to the whole thing. Now I know exactly what the mandate going forward for the company is. I ain't got to worry about no articles from Yahoo. I ain't got to be worried about no articles from Barron and all these guys. I heard it directly from the company, the CEO's mouth. So that's where you need to go, guys. Here's what I'm going to tell you. I think the rest of this week, the rest of November, we're going to get a slight bump in the price. I don't know if it will go crazy. I don't think it will, because you got to understand, a lot of your Wall Street aliens, maybe even some institutional investors, believe the company is still overpriced. Now, as revenue goes up, continues to scale up, that will bring it back in reason to where they may believe it's priced appropriately. Right now, they still think it's too expensive. A lot of them do, guys. That's why the price ain't going crazy, because a lot of folk believe it's already overpriced. I don't believe that. But until you get revenue up to 150 billion, 200 billion, 250 billion, that's when I think it will continue to really, really take off. And that may take us a couple of years. Right now, you know, we close the day at 1:45 after hours, 6:30 p.m. It's around 1:44. So somebody tried to make a after hours sell-off happen, but it didn't, because the numbers were too dang on strong, guys. There was an attempt to sell this thing off after hours. Now, I don't believe it'll stop. They will continue to try to sell this thing off over the next week, because you got to understand, you got $300 billion in options on this day right here, right? 300 billion in options that the stock price could swing 8% either up or down. So that's a lot of bets, guys. That's all I call it, betting. Options trading to me is just like going to Las Vegas and betting, right? So you got a lot of people betting on this thing. I don't know who is betting for or against, but 300 billion in options is a lot. So here's the thing. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? But today was a good day. Even though the stock price didn't rally, it didn't go up by 10% like I thought it might, but it didn't go down 10%. That's a win in my book, because anything the Wall Street aliens can do to crash this stock, they will do it. Now, you're going to see all kind of reports being leaked, all kind of crazy stuff over the next week in an attempt to do what? Get you to sell, get you to bail, keep other people out of the stock. That's what you're going to see. But go back to the numbers, guys. Go listen to that earnings call replay, and then go back to the numbers. Listen closely to what the guidance is for fourth quarter. Listen closely what they say about Blackwell and who is already in the hopper to get it. They've already started shipping it out this quarter. I got 11,200 shares and I'm holding strong, and I ain't selling nothing. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just going to stay in it, because from what I heard today, I'm optimistic. The future, you can't stop progress, guys. You cannot stop progress. And this company is right in the middle of progress. Artificial intelligence is progress, guys. It's part of technology. You can't stop it. So like I said, man, get in where you fit in. If you want up to 15 free stocks, listen, man, get yourself down to the description box and click on that boo-boo link. Open up your boo-boo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Who knows? You might get a hyperscaler. Who knows? You might even get a share of Nvidia. I don't know. I'm just saying, because it's a random situation that they use to pick these stocks. But nevertheless, go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Stop by my website, www.richardfain.com. Y'all go check out the website, guys. Second link down in the description box, man. Go check it out. 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your financial life. Over 400,000 of you guys have visited the website in like 6 months. And let me tell you, a whole bunch of you guys have purchased digital products, made an investment in yourself. Guys, I'm telling you, man, if you lack financial literacy, you will not build wealth. And ain't nobody gonna come knock on your door and feed it to you like you feed baby food to a little baby. No one's gonna do that, man. You gotta get out here and figure out a way to get you some knowledge in here and then get yourself confident so you can execute and build you some wealth, or you're gonna miss this wealth transfer that's happening. Don't do that, guys. Go to the website, check out the digital products, make an investment in yourself today. And while you're there, consider joining the Wealth Builders. We're the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. 1,000 wealth builders in 6 months. And we're headed to 2,000 by the end of the year. We're going to make it happen too. Because good folks like you who don't want to be in the matrix out here on their own trying to build wealth by themselves with no help, you're going to want to wrap yourself around 1,000 wealth builders going in the same direction you going. None of us are experts. Regular people like you who have band together in a community setting, positive community setting, to talk about big boy blue chip paper assets and how to take them, turn them into wealth. If you want to be a part of that, you got to come join us. Just click on the membership button. Click on the join button in the website. Get yourself over to Patreon, sign up, and then send me a DM and say, Richard, I'm here. Let's get to work. And I'm going to help you do whatever you need to do. Plus, another 1,000 people in the community will help you as well through tips, golden nuggets, best practices, what's working, what's not working. You know, that kind of information you need. So come join us. We're waiting on you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.